Great morning everyone, and today is dumpster day. That's my dumpster right here, and Slick is helping me take out all this garbages out here because we are done. We are wrapping it up, and this is what I need to do before I turn it over to my tenant who's moving in this week. So I have a lot of stuff in here from the construction work, and now what I need to do is have Slick help me take them out so that I could prepare this property to hand over to my tenant. And Brett here, my contractor, is helping me get this door ready out there because it's missing my stainless steel door. And these are the granular details of running a business, an apartment business that is. And this is the hardest thing that nobody wants to know. All they want to see is the beautiful things, right? But there's actually the granular details of, taking things out, throwing out things, so that everything when the tenant moves in is ready. So I'm trying to wrap up. Those are my crew over there, Brett's man, and they're trying to finish my door here. So let's go. Stay tuned for more.